Welcome to Redneck Mayhem.
Oh! Well,
Please do not try this at home.
welcome to Appliance Mayhem with the dogs barking in the background. It's a lovely day here. We have some Saturn missiles. We got 25 shots.
We're leaving the plastic on it.
We'll leave where we want them.
Do it.
We'll leave the plastic on. I don't care. Alright, our neighbors are staring at us. It's time to get it going before we get the lock off. Anyway, we got Saturn missiles. Put them in the microwave. We're only going to put these things on them out of them.
Just put it on there for 2
We're
minutes.
going to put it 2 minutes. If it don't do that, we're killing it.
Fire it up.
Now we're going to fire her up here. These are Saturn missiles. All right, we got about a minute left.
Should have done it for 3.
They're just smoking. I kind of thought these things would do a little something.
Me too.
Well,
We're done.
We're done.
But we're not.
We're going to put it back in for another 2 minutes. And see what they do. Now they're out of the plastic, maybe the water won't, but it may done ruin them. May got bad fireworks.
Smoking again?
I don't know if that's smoke or just the way it looks. Well, this is very uneventful.
It really is. I thought they'd do way more.
Well, oh, Lord. Well, let me go ahead and kill that. Well, I don't think you have to know. That's a piss poor idea. Yeah, that thing just exploded in there. Y'all can see that at home. This has been a Appliance Mayhem. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and leave your comments.